In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link post-it notes in Miro. Whether you're brainstorming solo or collaborating with a team, organizing your ideas visually can make a big difference. Linking post-it notes can help you connect related thoughts and create a more cohesive visual representation. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Miro.com. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's easy and free. Otherwise, click on that login button you see in the upper right hand corner. You can sign in using your email address or a Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Miro dashboard. From here, go ahead and click on the board you want to work with. If you haven't created a board yet, don't worry, you can easily create one with just a few clicks. Now that you're in your board, it's time to add some sticky notes. Sticky notes are great for jotting down ideas, organizing thoughts, or even solving problems. To do this, look for the sticky note icon on the toolbar and click to start adding your notes to the board. Once you've added all the sticky notes you want, it's time to start linking them together. To link sticky notes, click on the first note you want to connect. You'll notice as soon as it's selected, a blue dot appears alongside it. This blue dot is your linking tool. Click on the dot and holding the mouse or trackpad, drag it towards the sticky note you wish to connect it to. You'll see a line connecting the two as you release the mouse. This line visually represents the relationship you're establishing between the ideas housed in those notes. Repeat this process for each sticky note you want to link. It's as simple as click, drag, and connect. Watch as your ideas become connected in a seamless flow that can help you and your team understand the bigger picture. Linking post-its in Miro provides a visual path that can greatly enhance idea generation and understanding of complex concepts. It's perfect for mapping out thought processes, organizing project steps, or even managing complex ideation workflows. Use this feature to your advantage and elevate your brainstorming sessions. Miro will automatically save your progress so you can come back anytime to revisit or expand your work. That's it. Now you know how to link post-it notes in Miro. Enjoy creating those connections and enhancing your visual thinking. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips and tricks to optimize your Miro experience.